Yes, hello, welcome back to Learn and Share once again. Thank you for following and thank you for subscribing. And today I want us to look at something amazing, that is blending two or more pictures together in Canva. You can use it for your designs or any other things that you will be doing. Alright, first things first, go to canva.com and then sign up if you don't have an account. If you already have one, open your Canva and then we get started. Let me start by giving my project a title just up here. Let me say how blending pictures. That's where you name your project. All right, that's done. Next, I'm going to pick the pictures that I want to blend. Let me go to elements. I'll not upload from my computer. I'll use the Canva files. So I want to use this picture, and also I'm going to add another page and select another picture. To add another page, you can either click right here or click on this icon over here. So I'm going to click another page, and then I also look for another picture under the elements tab. Let me pick this wonderful nice looking road over here. All right, now it's time to organize my image. Let me make it fill my workspace. Just simple like that, easy peasy. Then let me do the same for this. All right, next thing is I want this picture to be facing this side. What I'm going to click on it and then go to the flip tool here and say flip horizontal. My picture is now flipped horizontally. Let me extend the driver a little bit this side. All right, there you have it. Okay, now the next thing is we are going to create a gradient on the picture, both of them. You go to elements, then you pick go to elements. I'm going to pick a shape. Let me pick this shape here, a square or a rectangle or whatever shape it is. Align it properly to your work. I'm going to place it on the right. All right, up to about the middle and slightly ahead. I'm going to give it the white color. Next, I want to create a gradient on the picture. I'll click on the picture and then go to color, click on the settings over here, click on gradient, and then select the color that you want for your gradient. There are two colors here. If you want to add a color, you can add another color, but for this tutorial I prefer using only one color. So I'm going to click, my first color is white and my second color I'm going to leave it also as white. Let me delete this one, also white, but the opacity, I'm going to reduce the opacity of the second color to 0 actually. Yes. All right, that's done. I need to rotate this such that it is facing this other side. I'm going to click on it and then rotate it just like that. Okay, so it's not yet blending according to how I want it, so I'm going to copy and paste the gradient as many times as possible until I see it suits my need, just like that. And then I will position all of them to the middle and align them at the center. All right, this also moved. Okay, So I need to group these. I'm going to remove this and group the rest, and then take it back where I want it to be, over there. So I'm going to do the same for the second image, but this time around I'll just copy this and paste it over here, but this time around move it this other side, then rotate it to face there. Alright, okay, that's done. Now I'm going to add another page and select my image and the gradient, then I group them together. Control G, or you right click, select, right click and say group. Now they are grouped together, so I'm going to place them on the same page here. So I'm going to copy this one first, bring it over here, and then I copy the second one and also just place it just over this one. The next thing is to reduce the opacity. You come over here where there is transparency, click there and reduce it to what fits your, let me put it at 50. Okay, when that's done, I just think the blending is already coming out, but now there's too much brightness and contrast is low. So what we're going to do, I'm going to first download this image, go to share, download, that's page 3. I'm going to download the image and again bring it back to the project. Alright, save it. So I'm going to add another page, come over there, go to uploads and then upload my recent design. There it is, it's loading. Next is I'll make it fill up the whole page. Alright, now I need to reduce, I need to make some adjustments to make sure my work is blending very well. I'll click on the image, go to the edit tab over here, and then I'll find various tools that I'll use to edit my picture. Head over to adjust. Of course you have to adjust the whole image, not just specific areas, the foreground or background. No, let's adjust the brightness first of all. The brightness looks a little bit much, so reduce it slightly up to maybe 50 something. Alright, then let us increase on our contrast. Let us make the contrast actually to 100%. Okay, as you can see our image is coming, but we need to restore it to the original image, just like you can see this one here. So we need to increase its vibrance, reduce on the highlights a little bit, increase the shadows a little bit, reduce on the whites, increase the blacks a little bit, then increase on the vibrance to restore back our color. We are coming. Then also you need to increase on the saturation a little bit. This is too much. A little bit, such that yes, we are coming, we are almost there. Okay, as you can see our image is just like the original, but it still has some. If you want, you can stop here. If you want to continue, you can continue and reduce the increase on the contrast. It will appear better. Actually, you can also increase on its let's adjust the clarity a little bit. Yes, as you can see. Okay, and there you can has the images are perfectly blending, just disappearing into each other, and that's how we do it. Thank you so much for following. Thank you for subscribing. If you want to learn something on Canva, please don't hesitate to put your comments in the comment section, and see you again in the next video.